welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, we're going to Six Flags and possibly Hurricane Harbor. So if y'all are enjoying watching this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get right into it. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this two-piece set from Shein, really cute. Get into it. And then I'm also wearing these sandals from Teva. So yeah, y'all. Okay, so we're about to order a Lyft, and Gurney is about 40 minutes away from Chicago. So yeah, what you got on? This romper is made by Basilo. Got it at 365. And then I have my Xavier sunglasses and my Nike 270s. Look at our views from our hotel. Really cute. We're in the suburbs of Chicago, y'all. Really nice views. Okay, y'all, we made it to Six Flags. The water park is all the way down there.
No, like just for today, we're gonna get one all-day dining and we're just gonna share all day. Get it.
Okay, y'all, so I'm ready to go home already because no way I got dress coded at freaking Six Flags. So I had to go in the gift shop and go buy me a little shirt. So I got me a kid shirt because I like the baby tees. So I'm not mad at it. It's kind of cute, I guess. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so we got the dining pass. So we're about to get a turkey leg for my first meal of the day. This is what the dining passes look like. You get a meal and a snack every 90 minutes. Okay, y'all, I got my turkey leg and some barbecue sauce. So excited. It smells so good. And we got a water. Okay, y'all, the first ride we're getting on is Flight X. Since it's right here by the turkey leg. We walked all the way to the back of the park just to get some turkey legs. Okay, y'all, so now we're about to go to Justice League. It's an indoor roller coaster. No, Justice League, I think this one is, it's the Dark Knight that's the indoor roller coaster. This one is the shooting. Oh, well, yeah. Anyways, that's where we're about to go. And in 30 minutes, we're about to get our other snack. Because every 90 minutes counts, y'all. So, yeah. Okay, y'all. We are... Oh, Helena, that's where you get in the water park, right there. Well, I guess they can't actually enter, the gates closed. We're doing a slight delay. We're going to Viper first, y'all.
What is this?
They need to cut the grass. This grass over here kind of, huh? Y'all, I have been tricked onto a water coaster. I don't do these type of coasters, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we're in a little food court area over here by Six Flags. And we're about to get our next meal by Chopsticks. This is their food menu. Okay, y'all. So we got some Chinese. We got orange chicken and lo mein. Okay, so now I'm about to go and get a snack. I'm going to get a churro. Y'all might think I've been eating this whole time. Like I got on like 2 rides. We got on that wooden coaster and we got on one steel coaster. I forgot the names of them already. We got on 2 coasters and everything else is just us eating. It's okay though. It's okay though. But yeah, I'm about to get a churro. Okay, y'all. I'm at the cotton candy factory. And then they got churros over there. And this is their menu over here. Okay, y'all. So I went and got my churro. It's not that big, but I love me a good churro. Okay, y'all. Now we getting on Dark Knight. It's the indoor roller coaster.
So scared. It's gonna be like Cat in the Hat all over again. Oh, I don't know. I can't tell.
Oh, this line is kind of long.
Where do I go? This is bad.
Okay, y'all, so we just got off of Dark Knight. It was, I don't know what kind of ride that was, but it just made my hair hurt. It just kept on spinning you. Not my type of vibe. So I'm about to get some pizza now. We are at Pizza Orleans. And this is their menu. Okay, y'all, so I just got some pizza. And we're about to go find another ride to get on.
I already found it. It's Goliath.
I didn't ask you. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So we both got Dippin' Dots for free on the house. Period. And that's how you do it. You gotta get free stuff every chance you get. Okay. Okay, y'all. So now we're about to go on Goliath. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, y'all. So now we're about to go to the water park. They're only open for another hour, but we're just gonna go in there. Okay, y'all. We just made it inside of Hurricane Harbor. Okay, y'all. So since we are gold members, we have reserved a sleeping. The life of a luxury. So we get to sit over here by VIP. Y'all already know. And this is the way through over here. Okay, y'all, so we just out here chilling. I brought my swimsuit bottoms and top, but they about to close in 30 minutes, so I'm not gonna change into it. And this is a sports little set, so I'm not really worried about it. And I put my feet in the water, y'all. The water is ice cold. Like, it's a no for me. Y'all, this water is cold. It is cold. We just standing at the edge. And my edges starting to sweat off. Y'all see my edges? They holding up. They holding up. They holding up. Edge style do their thing. It's holding up, but it's starting to sweat off. Okay, y'all, so we just got back inside of the theme park and we're about to get on Max Force.
It's just loud. Yeah, we wait. I'm gonna do it.
You never know a good thing, baby. You never know a good thing, baby. You never know a good thing, girl. It's gone. Darling, you drive me crazy.
Okay, y'all. That's the last ride of the night. We get on Raging Bull. Is this right here? Cause they close at 9 o'clock.
Do you want to give the car to
Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.